morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I'm reaching out to the student body. Okay, students, I'm reaching out to my CIS CNS 218 students. Now, I realize that a lot of you students are in my other class too, so make sure you don't get this video log mixed up with the other one. In other words, make sure you follow both of them. So, let's go into the class, students, because we're talking about the final exam. Here we go. Now, when you come in here, you pretty much know where your final exam would be. It is right here. You will go to quizzes and exams like you always do. And in here, you'll see a final exam. Now, you probably cannot see it right now, but it's in here. And you must, let me say that again, and you must go to the testing center to take this final exam. You cannot take this at home, so do not try it. Make sure you complete all of your work before you take your final exam. That's mission critical. Complete all your work, then take the final exam. But if you don't do it, nothing really is going to happen, so buyer beware. Okay. But now, listen very carefully. It's something else that's important that you can do at home, and that's called your lab. So let's go look at the lab. Now, you will come into your Linux course, which you will see down here at the bottom. I'm in my Linux course, which is, of course, Cisco Netacad. I will come down here to the bottom and you will see labs. It's multiple labs in there. So I'm going to do that again to open it back up. You want to complete the challenge lab A, user management. Now, people, you know this is part of your final exam. So it would behoove you to make sure you show me everything. I know. When you were doing your work, some of the stuff was cool, some of it wasn't for some people, not everybody, but some people. Make sure when you do this lab, you have your screenshots on point. Do not mess the screenshots up. I need to be able to see it step by step. Let's go look at how it will look. So this is the lab right here, okay? Every one of these is a step. So make sure you list your steps clearly so I can follow this all the way down. If something's missing, that's points that will be taken off. And then you'll be like, Professor, let's have a conversation. Stop it. This is your final exam lab. Now, you will do this at home. And when you complete it, you're going to upload your screenshots in the same place. It's a folder for it. And I'm going to go look at your screenshots and compare them to my screenshots. And if something is missing, I'm taking points off. So make sure you take your time. I had a student last semester, messed it up, didn't take their time. I am not giving no, okay, you can do it again. Here, to take your time. This is part of your final. Now, I know some people already did it, but I haven't graded it, so you may want to go back and look at it again. Give me the screenshots. If it was me, I'd start the first screenshot from here just to make sure it's no problem. As soon as I type something in, okay, Professor, there go that first screenshot. Make sure you list it well, too. Don't just give me dates. List it so I can say, if it says the user will have a bash login shell, you will make sure that you list it. I know I'm going too far, but make sure you list your stuff so I can understand it. Okay, students, that's basically all I wanted to talk about. Make sure you go to the testing center to take your final exam. In your final exam lab, make sure I have the screenshots. With that being said, this is Professor Sistrunk.